This is a 1970 TR6R Tiger 650. It's been fully restored. The restoration took into account using all the original components that were possibly could be improved and that could be salvaged, as well as adding new old stock products. It's in excellent shape. It has all bearings, bushings, complete top end rebuild, runs very well. The bike itself is lists 28,000 miles. The speedometer has not been turned back for the rebuild. If there was anything that might need to be replaced, if someone wanted to, it'd be the seat. The seat was reconditioned, and it was restored, but it had its own class made and things. There was some damage to it, but everything else is original, complete new wiring harness. It's been had electronic ignition added, and the electronic ignition will make it start better and everything. Brand